everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is exciting because it is sponsored by Fabfitfun. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the summer Fabfitfun box and sharing with you guys everything that comes in it. So I hope you guys are excited. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Paula. I make videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I would love for you guys to subscribe by hitting that red button down below and also hitting that notification bell. That way you're always notified on when I post next. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So if you're unfamiliar with Fabfitfun, they are a subscription box service and they feature everything from wellness, beauty, lifestyle products. So they are a seasonal box. You'll get 4 boxes throughout the year and each one comes jam-packed with full-size products that you can test out for the season. It's awesome because they're all mostly high-end products. So things that you'll find like at Sephora or Neiman Marcus, stores like that. And you're getting the whole box for $49.95. But I do have a coupon code for you guys today, so if you use the code MERIDA10, you'll get $10 off of your first box, so you can test it out and see if you guys like it. And I love Fabfitfun because they work with a lot of female-owned companies and feature a lot of their products in the boxes, and every season they partner with a different organization to give back, which I think is really cool. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what was sent to me in the summer box, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is what the summer Fabfitfun box looks like, and it is a pretty good, decent size. You're going to get all the full-size items in here. I'm going to go ahead and just jump right in and share with you guys what came in the box. I did take a little sneak peek once I got it because I just couldn't wait, but I'm really excited to share them with you. So when you open it, this is what the box looks like. Oh, okay, right off the bat, I do see a couple things. So they included an $80 gift card to HelloFresh. I actually have tried out HelloFresh and it's such a cool little like meal subscription service, but you can test it out for yourself. Also included the Fabfitfun magazine. So for this season, they're partnering up with the Eva Longoria Foundation to give back, and I think that's so cool. I did take a look at it earlier, and inside there are really cool articles on, you know, like female business owners, and also it outlines all the products that are included in the box. You can actually customize your box, which is really nice. There are products that will come in every box, and then there's some products that you can customize and pick and choose from. So that's really nice because most subscription services out there, you really don't know what you're getting until you get it in the mail. I know I've had some in the past and it's like you don't really know what to expect, but here is really cool because they tell you exactly what's coming in the seasonal box and what everybody's getting, and then you get to pick and choose some of the items based on your preferences. So that's really cool. So I'm going to refer back to this once I start taking out each individual product to share with you guys kind of like the retail price of each product. You get the whole box for $49.99, but each box is worth over $200. So if you were to like buy each individual product on its own, like at Sephora or at a different store, if you total it up, it is going to be more than $200, which I think is nice because you get to try out all these like really great high-end products, but you don't have to spend, you know, the retail price for them. So I'm going to start just pulling out items and sharing them with you. So the first products that caught my eye right off the bat were these two here. These are by the brand Sol de Janeiro, and this one here is a shower cream gel, and then this is a like a lotion, a cream. This one has gained so much popularity here on YouTube. It's called the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and you could actually use it, you know, all over your body. But I've heard so many great things about it. I've heard that it smells amazing, so I'm really excited to test it out. So let's take a little sniff here. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. It smells like coconut, vanilla. Oh, it just smells like really like luxurious and really fit for summertime. So it also looks really thick, and the consistency is pretty thick, so it is going to be very moisturizing. Oh my gosh, it does feel really great. You know what's actually cool though? It is thick and moisturizing, but once you put it on your skin, it just kind of like melts into your skin, and it doesn't leave it like oily or anything, which is so awesome. So it came with that, and then it also came with the moisturizing shower cream gel, and oh my gosh, this smells just like the cream, so you could definitely like layer up and smell like this all summer long. So I'm so excited for these. So let's see what these retail for. So if you were to buy these by themselves, they would be worth $45. So each one's about 20 something. So almost with these two products, you're almost getting your money's worth for the whole box, which is so cool. Okay, so the next product that I see here is this exfoliating foot mask by the brand Wish, and it says that it smooths and it softens and it provides intense hydration, and it is paraben free, sulfate free. I'm noticing with all the products and just by looking at the magazine is that a lot of the products are, you know, very organic, very natural. They're infused with like fruit extract, which is really cool, and this foot mask here is paraben free. So I definitely think a foot mask is a must for the summertime because, you know, you're wearing sandals, you're wearing open toe shoes, and you don't want to have any crusty feet, right? So this is a great little treat for you. So it says that it's made to use at bedtime, so you apply liberally to desired area and let dry, and then you go to bed and awake with softer feet, and then you rinse it after 8 to 12 hours. I wish I would sleep 8 to 12 hours, but let's be real, that really happens. But I think this is so cool, so I'm definitely excited to try this out. So this retails for, this here alone retails for $32. All right, the next product is this Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. So this is a face mask, and I actually really love clay masks because I feel like they're very exfoliating and they help minimize the size of your pores. So I'm excited to try this out. It's purple, which is so cool. So this is by the brand Generation Clay, and it says to apply an even layer to clean dry skin and wait approximately 10 minutes or until the mask starts to tighten. Use water to gently remove your mask in circular motions, then pat dry. So this retails for $39. So crazy. So yeah, it says it's supposed to rejuvenate dull skin and boost hydration. So definitely excited to try this out as well. It is made in Australia. So cool. Next is another skincare product, and this is by the brand Intelligent Nutrients, also another organic product. This is a refining micro polish, so it's like a cleanser for your face that includes kind of like microdermabrasion beads in it. It says it smooths, exfoliates, and gently sweeps away dual surface cells and purifies your pores, so perfect for all skin types. It also says that it's safe to use every day. So this is really nice because I really love like microdermabrasion itself. It's a great way to remove dead skin cells and really display like your new layer of skin. So I love doing microdermabrasion, but I'm really excited to try this out. This retails for $57. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this also is plant-based. This is curated with plant jojoba beads, which are plant-based, microdegradable, and great for the skin. Just massage it gently into the skin and rinse to reveal refined pores and a fresh, smooth face. Definitely very intrigued by this, and we'll definitely be trying it out. So another product I see in here that is pretty big size product is actually a set of face masks. So this is by the brand 111 Skin. I don't know if that's how you say it, but that's how it's spelled out. And it is the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. So this includes 5 different masks. And this is what they look like here. So these actually look pretty like luxurious and fancy. They're rose gold. It says they're supposed to diminish the appearance of lines and wrinkles, reinforce and protect skin barrier function, and rejuvenate and nourish your skin. They are infused with 24-karat gold that enhances skin radiance to brighten an even skin tone. Oh my gosh, so these are like the legit real deal here. I'm really intrigued by this, really excited to try these out. You basically just, it's like a face mask, you know, like those sheet masks. So you just like put it on your face and adjust it to like your, you know, features and all that, and then you leave it on for 20 minutes and then you take it off, and it's supposed to like rejuvenate your skin. It includes 5 of them in here, which is really cool. So I can't even imagine how much this is actually worth. So let's see. So the face masks themselves are worth, oh my gosh, they're worth $160 for the whole box, which is insane, but so cool. That's, you know, they partner with companies like this that would let you try, you know, a product that's worth $160 on its own in a $49.99 box. So I would probably not like try them out on my own, just because, you know, that is pretty expensive, but I'm excited to try them out as part of the box. So the next product is also a skincare product, and it's crazy. This box seems to have a lot of like skincare products in it, which I'm all for. I love taking care of my skin, and especially during the summertime where you're exposed to the sun and chlorine and the heat and all that. So this is the Grace and Stella Spray All Day Rose Spray. I love rose scented everything, so I already know I'm gonna love the smell of this, hopefully. So it says it's a hydrating rose facial spray, and oh my gosh, this is a really pretty good, decent size. It's let's see, 8 fluid ounces. Awesome. So let's see if it really smells like rose here. Oh my gosh, it smells just like rose. Wow, that's actually pretty strong, but it smells really, really good. So it says you can mist 4 to 5 sprays onto your face with your eyes closed before or after makeup, and reapply as needed. So I'm definitely really excited to try this out, and let's spray some right now and just see how it feels. Oh my gosh, smells so good. Yeah, I love having this, especially like when you go to like the beach or on vacation or something. It's great to have because it really refreshes your skin and just gives you a little boost. So excited to try this out during the summertime. Okay, so moving on, there is a makeup product in here. This is the Ico London I Do Liquid Liner. It is a felt tip liner, which are my favorite. I love felt tip eyeliners. I think they help you get like a precise line. So this is really cool. So let's see what this looks like. All right, so it looks like this, really clean, sleek look. And yeah, you do get the little felt tip at the end. And is this waterproof? I wonder if it is waterproof. Oh yeah, water resistant finish. So this is really cool for the summertime when you're out there in the humidity or like the pool or stuff. So this retails for $22. It says it provides a smooth application, is carbon black finish, boosts a lash growth. So this liner hits everything. So that's really cool. So it seems like it's infused with ingredients that will help your lashes grow. So cool. The next product is actually some hair accessories, and there are these Invisibobble traceless hair rings, and I've actually seen these around, but I had never tried them out. So let me show you guys what they look like. They're basically these little hair ties that you can use to, you know, put your hair up or put it up in a bun or something, and they're supposed to be traceless, so they're not supposed to crease your hair, which is cool because I really don't like when my hair is like creased from like a ponytail or stuff, because then you have to like apply heat on it again and like smooth it out or whatever. But this seems like it'll do the job, especially for the summertime, since they are made of like plastic here. They're great, you know, to have even in the pool. So it comes with a set of 6 of them. They say they're designed in Germany, and see how much of these retail for. So the set of these little ring packs retails for $16. So nice. So you get like this clear color, and then you get like a nude color, which I think is perfect because they're basically gonna match with every outfit. And the last thing that came in my box is a set of 3 resistant bands by the brand Burn 60. So I've also seen these around as well. These are great for doing like at-home workouts when you just want to, you know, do some like strength training. They say they're designed to help you work out smarter, maximize calorie burn, and tone major muscle groups. So this is cool. So it comes with a set of 3. And I just opened one of them. So this is basically what they look like. This is the big one here, and they are very obviously stretchy. I remember actually using these when I ran cross country in high school. I remember like I hurt my ankle, and they like asked me to do some like strength training with these little bands. So it came with like a white one, a red one, and then like a charcoal colored one. So they're also categorized by strength level. So this one here is the light, this one is the medium, and this is the heavy here. So that's pretty cool because you can like toss them in your purse, and let's say if you are going on vacation or something, you can still do like some training and stuff, some like workouts on the go. So the set of those, it retails for $34. So all the products combined are worth more than $200, and that's everything that came in my box. I'm so excited to try these products out. If you're interested in trying out Fabfitfun, make sure to use my coupon code MERIDA10 to get $10 off of your first box. Thank you again to Fabfitfun for working with me on this video. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. Remember, you're all beautifully and wonderfully made, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.